back. If you're new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So y'all, this is the style that I've been rocking today. Yes, your girl decided to put on a wrap because I was feeling super cute. I had just took down my braids, and this is my hair in real time, y'all. Like, this is her. Don't she look so cute? If you're new tuning in, you guys subscribe, hit that bell's notification so that you're alerted of new videos, and also give your girl a great big thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so basically what I'm doing is just going in and I'm removing my twist tie and all of that good stuff. This is what I am left with. So ultimately, I just kind of stretched my hair a bit because I am getting her prepared for another protective style. Okay. By the way, if y'all not following me on Instagram, y'all check me out there. There's my credentials right there. Anyway, y'all, so I'm prepping my hair for the next protective style that I'm going to do. However, I'm just a little bit not sure as to what I want to do next. So you guys, should I continue to sport my hair with the wrap, or should I do spring twists, or should I do braids? Y'all let me know down in the comment section below. Okay, you guys, so yeah, I'm just parting my hair in various sections in the way that I would like for my braids to fall. Anyway, you guys, I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.